Sri Rama Engineering College. Affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University and in Tapur. Content. Abstract. Introduction. Design. Eigen face algorithm. Experiment and results. Working flow of the system. Conclusion. Bibliography. Smart voting system support through face recognition. Abstract. In this paper, a new authentication technique in online voting system using facial recognition of the voter is used. In India, currently there are two types of voting system in practice. They are secret ballot paper and electronic voting machines (EVM), but both of the process have some limitation or demerits. In India, online voting has not been yet implemented. The current voting system is not safe and secure too. The voters need to go to distributed places like polling booths and stand in a long queue to cast their vote. Because of these reasons, most of the people misses their chance of voting. To be counted. The voter who is not eligible can also cast its vote by fake means, which may lead to many problems. That's why in this project we have to propose a system or way for voting which is very effective or useful in voting. In our approach we have 3 levels of security in voting process. The first level is the verification of unique ID number (ID). Second level is the verification of election ID number (EID), and third level is face recognition or face matching. The security level of our system is greatly improved by the new application method for each voter. The user authentication process of the system is improved by adding face recognition in an application which will identify whether the particular user is authenticated user or not. To be counted. To be counted. To be counted. In the current voting system, the ballot machines were used in which the symbols of various political parties are displayed. When we press the button with the respective party's political party symbol, the voting is done. The chance of fake person casting their vote is more in the existing system. The voting person may use the fake voting card and cast his vote. This may cause problem. In the existing system, the person has to travel long places to his constituency to cast his vote. Therefore, we need an effective method to identify the fake voters during voting. So, the process is used for detecting the right person and also making the system to work in online, which will help the voters to cast their vote from their place itself. In this project we are working with 3 different security levels. Level 1, Unique ID number (ID). 4. Level 2, Election Commission ID card number. Level 3, Face recognition with respective Election Commission ID number. Eigen face algorithm. The main concept of Eigen face algorithm is to follow the appearance. It is used to capture the variation in a collection of face images, and this information is used to encode the particular images of individual faces. Then the encoded images of individual faces are compared with the collection of face images in a holistic manner. The Eigen faces itself form a basis set of all images used to construct the covariance matrix. The formed smaller set of basis images are used to represent the original training images, which produces dimension reduction. By comparing how faces are represented by the basis set, the classification can be achieved. Face images are projected into a feature space, face space, that best encodes the variation among known face images. The face space is defined by the eigenfaces, which are the eigenvectors of the set of faces. To be counted. The microphone is connected via sound card on USB port of Pi. The camera can be connected to USB port, or the Pi camera can be connected to camera slot on Pi. The 8-channel relay is connected to PO pins on Pi for controlling the home appliances. To access the internet, the Pi is connected to home Wi-Fi network. The programming of the Pi for displaying the IE on the screen is done using Python. The total description of how coding is implemented is described in section 3 of the document. Working of Eigen face algorithm. Steps in face recognition. Initialization. Acquire the training set and calculate Eigen faces using K projections which define Eigen space. When a new face is encountered, calculate its weight. Determine if the image is face. If yes, classify the weight pattern as known or unknown. Learning if the same unknown face is seen several times incorporated into known faces. Principal component analysis. Eigen face follows the principal component analysis approach, in which face space forms a cluster in image space. Experiment and results. Data used here are from the oral database of faces. Facial images of 16 persons each with 10 views are used. Training set contains 16 times 7 images. To be conned. 7. On the voting page all the party whatever party contest in the election symbols / buttons will be there. Voter can cast his / her vote in the election. 8. As soon as voter will give vote the id of voter log out automatically so we can say that a voter can give only one vote. 9. On counting form only election commission authorized user can log in with the secure id and password. If both id and password is correct then voting process will be continuing. To be conned. As every operation is performed through internet connectivity so, it is one-time investment for government. Voters' location is not important but their voting is important. As data is stored in centralized repository so, data is accessible at any time as well as backup of the data is possible. Smart voting system provides updated result at each and every minute. Also requires less manpower and resources. The database needs to be updated every year or before election so that new eligible citizens may be enrolled and those who are dead are removed from the voter list. Bibliography. 1. Pundit, Varade, Prathameshmaj Gaonkar, Pratik Meher, Shashank Sapalaga, and Saching Bojur. Intelligence Security Lock. In Trends in Electronics and Informatics, J. 2017 International Conference on, pages 713-716. IEEE, 2017. 2. Chowan, C.U., Abhishek Alnawat, Akshayas Wal, Awal Gautam, and Roshan Maid. Survey paper on a novel approach, web-based technique for vote casting. International Journal of Engineering and Management Research, Eigen 7, No. 5, 2017, 71 GER, Barry. Contentious Politics and Urban Design, Toward a New Architectural Theory. International Journal of Architecture and Urban Studies, 2017, 18.